Okay children, now we move on to the next topic, that is 24 hours clock. Okay, our topic is 24 hours clock. Okay, what is meant by that is 24 hours clock? And this type of clock is majorly used in railways. That's a railway time. We said this railway time and airlines. Okay, for that is a digital 24 hours clock. Okay, and majorly used in railways and airlines. Okay, that means it has in normal 12 hours clock. Okay, already we have discussed. I am going to recap that 12 hours clock. In 12 hours clock, that is 12 numbers. Okay, normal, this is a 12 hours clock. 12 hours clock. Okay, and this 12 hours clock, that is 12 numbers. Okay, so we have we told and we are saying that is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock and half past, quarter past, between these 12 numbers only. But in 24 hours clock, okay, each hour is measured as 1 hour. That is, one day has 24 hours. So in 24 hours clock, that should be calculate 24 numbers. Okay, 12 and again plus 12. That is the 24 hours clock. Okay, by saying that is AM and PM. We have discussed in previous topic, that is ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. Okay, ante-meridiem means that is 12 AM in the early morning to the 12 AM, that is noon. That's a AM. Okay, ante-meridiem, that mentions our 12 AM. This is a midnight. Okay, that is 12 AM at the early morning to, that is a 12. Okay, that is up to 12 PM. That is this is a noon. Okay, this is a early morning midnight, and 12, that is a noon. That is a AM up to 12. 12 to, that is a noon 12. Okay, that is ante-meridiem. Okay, so ante-meridiem time doesn't, it remains unchanged in 24 hours clock. Okay, same like that 12 hours clock, that is a AM time, okay, remains unchanged as in our, that is 24 hours clock. Okay, let me see. That means here in normal 12 hours clock time, that is 1:30 PM. Okay, 1:30 AM, 1:30 AM. AM time doesn't change in, that is same as that of 12 hours clock. So it should be written as a 24 hours clock. You should change into, for this 4-digit number, so 0, 1, 3, 0. So this is a 24-hour clock time. Okay, do you understand? The first point, that is in AM, doesn't change in 24 hours clock. This is a 1:30 AM. You should change into same like that for 24 hours clock by adding 0, because 24 hours clock, it shows that is 4 digits. Okay, that is 4 digits. So the first 2 digits remains the hour and the last 2 digit remains minutes. Okay, so that means now the time, that is 1:30. Okay, one more example for, that is AM. In this is a 12 hour, this is a 24 hour. Okay, now the 12 hour we are going to write, that is 4:35 AM. It should be written as for 24 hour clock. Here that is 4. So you should add 0, 4 and 3, 5. So the first 2 digit mention the hour and the last 2 digit mention the minutes. So for 24 hours clock, that is time, that is 4:35. Okay, one more example, that is 8 a.m. Okay, it should be written as 0, 8 and 0, 0. Okay, that means the time, first two digit, that is 8, 0, 8 means 8. Okay, the remaining last two digits, there is no minutes, so that is 8 o'clock in 24-hour clock time. Okay, for PM, okay, for this post meridian time, we are going to change the number. Okay, do you understand this? AM ante meridian for 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. Okay, let me move on to the next, that is post meridian. Okay, that is post meridian time, that means noon 12 p.m. to again night. Okay, that is noon 12 p.m. okay, to midnight 12. Okay, this is a post meridian. Okay, half the day. Okay, now that's a post meridian time. It should change for 24 hours clock by adding 12 numbers. For example, suppose this is a 12 a.m. in the early morning. Okay, it goes round, and again it's a 12 noon. Again the time, that is 12 plus 1, that is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Because there is 12 plus 12 for 24 hours. So after the 12 hours, you have to add one number. Okay, that means 12 plus 5. That is 5 o'clock means 17. You are going to write 17. I am going to show with example. This is a time of, that is 5:30 p.m. It should be written as for 24 hours. That is a railway time. It is called as railway time. So now it's a 5:30 p.m. Okay, it will change into 24 hours. You have to plus, that is 12 number. Because after 12 you have to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you have to plus this number 12. Okay, that is 17:30. So the answer is 17:30 hours. Okay, that is 4-digit number written as 17:30. So this is a railway time and this is a 12-hour time. To know about how to change into 5 into 17, that means you have to add 12 numbers with this PM number. Okay, that is post meridian time should be always change into, that is for railway time you have to add 12 numbers to this post meridian time. Okay, that is now, that is 9:45 p.m. Okay, simply you have to add this plus 12 to this number. Okay, that is 12. Okay, that is 21. Okay, so 21 written as this minutes, that is, so 21:45 hours. Okay, this is a 24-hour clock time. Okay, to know about this, that is change of PM to 24 hours clock. One more example, that is how to change the 12 hours to 24 hours clock. That is now, that is 7:20 p.m. Okay, so plus 12 hours to this hour. Okay, that is 12 plus 7, that is 19. Okay, so 19:20 hours. This is all these are 24 hours timing. This is a railway time. Okay, do you understand this? Next we are going to change of, that is a railway time to normal 12 hours time. I am going to show with example sums. Okay, change into 12 hours clock. Okay, that means here 17:25 hours. Okay, and 13:10 hours. Okay, and 20 hours. All these number, it has 4 digits, so it's a 24 hours time. This is a railway time. Okay. That is railway time because it has 4 digits. Okay. How to change into 12 hours? So you have to subtract 12 numbers from this hours. Okay, do you understand this? By minus, that is 17 minus 12. Okay, so answer is 5:25 p.m. This is a 12 hours clock. Okay, and 13:10, you have to subtract 12 numbers from this hour, that is 13 minus 12. Here 13 minus 12. So answer is 1, that is 1:10 p.m. Okay, and that is here you have to minus 20, that is you have to minus 12 from this 20. So that is 20 minus 12, the answer is 8. Okay, so the answer is 8 p.m. So this is a 12-hour time and this is a railway time. So to convert, that means conversion of railway time to 12 hours time, you have to subtract 12 from this hours. Okay. By the way, that is conversion of this 12 hour to 24 hour, you have to add 12 numbers to this hours. Okay, this is a simple technique to change of the 12 hours to railway time, and we can change the railway time to normal 12 hours time. Okay.